Hello, my name is Caden, a sophomore at Morgantown High School. For the 2024 Congressional App Challenge, I created a web application called MHS-Linked. As a student, I often find it incredibly difficult to have my questions about the school answered. For example, last month I wanted to know when and how to join the Quiz Bowl Club, but I couldn't find the information online anywhere. I can only imagine this process would be much more difficult for both students and parents with less technology experience, and that's why I built MHS-Linked, a one-stop chatbot that knows all the ins and outs of the school. Users can ask the chatbot questions about MHS and get direct answers. Let's say I needed help on the ACT and didn't know where to look. Instead of wasting time searching online, let's ask the chatbot. Now, what if you wanted to find information about a specific club, such as where and when it is hosted? Simply type in the question and the bot will respond with highly accurate information. Finding what's for lunch tomorrow couldn't have been easier, as you can ask the bot what the lunch is. No need to provide the exact date, as today's date has already been incorporated into the bot. I also wanted to make sure this app is inclusive, so speech-to-text and text-to-speech options are available for people who cannot type well or with vision impairment. To use speech-to-text, simply click the microphone, speak, and the system transcribes the audio. For text-to-speech, activating the speaker button reads the next chatbot message aloud.
Hello. How can I assist you today?
Now let's dive deep into how this chatbot functions. When the user sends a message, the message gets passed to an AI model that intelligently decides whether the model needs to search through MHS-related documents to answer the user. If it does, it uses a custom retrieval function to iteratively determine which document is the most relevant to the user's query. Then, the AI uses this document to generate a response, which is then passed to the user. This process is known as retrieval augmented generation. To code this up, I use the OpenAI API to connect the model to my front end, as well as their assistant endpoint, and use the AI model's vision capabilities to help read the documents related to MHS. This was all done in Python. I designed the front end using Flask, which allows for smooth interaction between the user and the chatbot. The user interface is simple and intuitive, ensuring that anyone can easily navigate and ask questions without technical difficulties. Text-to-speech and speech-to-text works by passing messages through an audio transformer model called Whisper. All API calls are encrypted and secure. Overall, MHS-Linked uses AI technology with retrieval algorithms to make it easy to find important school info. It's built with over 1,000 lines of code using Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and JSON files. In the future, MHS-Linked could even be adapted to work with other schools, offering a better way to connect students and staff.